All right, so this video covers how we can set the elevation of points when they're in the drawing to 0, but not the actual elevation, but the way we snap to it. So if I were to draw a polyline and snap to this node and move it over and open up AutoCAD properties and then select that polyline, I can see that it comes in with an elevation of 99, which is great when I'm creating my surfaces and stuff, but when I'm doing layouts and trying to find distances between points, it becomes problematic because it's going to use that 99 feet plus whatever the elevation is, and it'll give me a true distance rather than the horizontal distance that I need. So in order to keep the elevations of the points and use 0 elevations, we can set the style of the point. To do that, I can go over to Settings, go to Point, go to Point Styles, and then change the properties of it. So if I go ahead and click on this one, I can see that my style, I'm just going to assign it as basic, which is what it is. And then I can come over here, I can right click and choose edit and edit that basic point style. If I go to the 3D geometry tab, I can see that right now it's setting the use point elevation, and I want to change that to flatten points to elevation. In my case, I want to do 0, so I'm going to leave it there and then hit OK. And so now when I draw a polyline using that same method of snapping to the node and picking a new point, now my polyline elevation starts at 0 because in the drawing, AutoCAD thinks it's at 0, even though I can still see it has an elevation of 99. And so this video shows how we can change the point properties to have 0.